Thank you for tuning in into my channel where you find all about mixed media, art journal, collage, assemblage and anything else that sparks my interest. Hi, my name is Grob and I'm glad you are here. Hey y'all, welcome back to my pretended relatives. I'm gonna do my next few pages, but I decided to add this time gesso right from the beginning. It just is much easier, and it is a little bit too dark against this vintage magazine pages. So by adding a little bit of gesso, and I'm actually adding also a little bit of water so I can spread it. I just want a thin layer of the gesso, just to lighten it up a bit. And then I'm actually also going to take a towel to take off a little bit and use the heat tool. I have stuff laying around as usual, things I think I want to use. So first again I'm going to need more adults. Maybe this time I do use another punch, just for variation. I have to cut that back a little bit. So that's Uncle Herbert. And of course he needs a wife, so and all the kids. Oh yeah, that's Susie. Oh, I like that. Herbert and Susie. Yep, that looks like fun for me. And just in case you are curious, some of the names don't rely to relatives of me. Some do, and some are names of friends of mine. Sorry. So no, I'm not gonna tell you which is which. So that's Susie, and that's Herbert. I'm not gonna do a lot more with that. Of course they have kids too, and I'm not sure if you can see it. So as usual they're gonna be picture at the end. There is a little bath tube toy and a little doll in it, so that goes with one of the kids. And Susie and Herbert, they have like 3 children, so 1 girl and 2 boys, not sure yet, depending on what I can find in the old magazines. But they need toys, so that's what they gonna have as toy. And let's see, where are my children? Oops, be careful, maybe you need something. No children here. Now that's 1 child. Unfortunately, I have sometimes things I would love too, so you have to make your decisions what you're gonna keep and what not. Mary Jane. And I think I want the younger child. There are some more baby-like children somewhere. Not here. Oh, there's an old. Do you see? Maybe I'm gonna use that for another thing too. We'll see. Now I need a younger child. No. What do we have here? Oh, she is cute. I think that's too small. Oh, it actually could work, so I'm gonna use it like that. So just in case you're wondering, that's a 1¼ inch circle punch, and that's a 2-inch circle punch. Because where is my bath tube now? Okay, those little things are dangerous. Actually, I can't use that. Did I put my bath tube? Oh, here it is. Okay. I think that's gonna go something like that. Susie and Herbert, and now we need a boy. Or do we make a 3-girl thingy? First I have to add a little bit of gesso here also. And again I'm using a little bit of water. Oh, I hope you did see it. A boy or a girl? I have to zoom you out a little bit again, it's just... I think I like this guy. So that's gonna be my boy. And I'm gonna use the big circle this time. Now I have to think about what I could put over here. What do I have here? He went to the zoo. So they need another ticket. Maybe this was the ticket for the zoo. Now I have to write down the names again. So Susie and Herbert, and here we have Barbara, little Anne. Okay, and the boy is Mario. I'm gonna write over here Sue. Okay, so that's another set. I'm gonna zoom you in again. So we have here Susie and Herbert are the parents, then we have Barbara, the oldest girl, then little Anne, she is between. Mario is older, but yeah, I did took the girls together. So, and they have been to the zoo. Okay, that's it for the moment. I hope to see you soon again. Take care. Bye.